Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I wanted to do something very bold on the eyes and do something very smoky. I haven't really done a proper smoky eye on my channel for a while and this is what I came up with today. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page and also subscribe to my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so dipping into the Anastasia Renaissance palette, I'm going to first go in with the shade B1 Fresco. It's just a very light purple lilac shade and this is going to be our transition shade today. I am going to be building up because I do want this colour to peek through the other darker shades. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Antique Bronze. This is a little bit of a shimmer, but once you start blending it out, it goes matte. So I'm just going to take this on a more precise, fluffy brush and start concentrating this on the outer corner of my lid and then start working it in slowly to the inner half of my lid as well. Again, I'm going to be packing this colour on throughout the look just because I do want this look to be quite dark and smoky. Then I'm going to blend out that shade a little bit more with the B1 Fresco shade. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Venetian Red. I'm only going to apply a little bit of this just because I do want a bit of a pop of brighter purple through the darker shades. I'm just going to focus this on the outer corner and just run it slightly through my crease as well. Then again, I'm going to go in with the shade Antique Bronze and start blending out that shade and deepen up the outer corner again. And then once I've applied that shade, I'm going to go back in with B1 Fresco and just blend all them shades nicely out together. Then to highlight the rest of my lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Tempera and just do like a bit of a cut crease. It's not like a dramatic cut crease, but I just want to cut it a little bit and then over the top of that to work as a base for the glitter I'll be applying after. I'm going to go in with the shade Vermeer and put this all over my lid. Then going in with the Glam Crystals glitter eyeliner from collection in the shade number 1. I'm going to first stipple this onto my lid using a small brush, and then once I've done this I'll just go in with a brush that was on the wand of the glitter and just start applying it that way and also do like a line to create a small cut crease. Then once I've done that, I'm going to go in to the Tartest Pro Palette and use the shade No Filter and Drama just to blend out that glitter a little bit more and to give it more of a purple effect. And I did do my eyeliner off camera today, so I went in with the shade Punk out of the Tartest Pro Palette just to start smoking out that wing a little bit. And then to blend out that black shade, I went in with Antique Bronze out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette just to blend all that out. Then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use the shade we popped on our lid, which was Vermeer. And then I'm going to apply some Ardell Wispy Lashes. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take a bit of Venetian red and the dark purple and just mix them together and define my lower lash. Then going in with Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified Highlight, Contour and Blush palette. I'm just going to be using a mixture of their shades just for blush and contour today. Then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones using some translucent powder. And I'm going to dip into the Makeup Revolution in collaboration with Sophx on YouTube and just use this highlighter palette. I absolutely love this highlighter palette. It is literally my favourite one at the moment. Then I'm just going to remove all that baking that I applied underneath my cheekbones. And then I'm going to go in with the Technique lipstick. I thought this would be a lot more of a subtle nude, but it came on too pink when I looked in my viewfinder on my computer. So then once I've done this, I just went in with a sample lipstick from Avon, which is more of a darker nude. Then over the top went in with some lip gloss from number 7 in the shade Pink Latte. And then I set my brows in place using the Maybelline Brow Mascara in the shade Dark Brown. And also set my face using the All Control Face Mist from Makeup Revolution. And yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. But yeah guys, until next time, hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.